Good morning, traders. How are we today? Hope you guys are doing well. I am good. Just got my coffee, so going for my little walk, my daily walk. I miss the city where I used to go out for lots of walks, any excuse to leave the desk. But working from home is also beneficial. Don't need to leave the house until you need to, that sort of thing. Anyway, what am I going to talk about today? Today, I want to talk a little bit about our biases. So sometimes we have this kind of trading idea, and if you've ever seen my charts, you'll see that I have a lot of lines on my charts. I'm figuring things out, I'm drawing angles, trend lines, just trying to figure out where the markets are going to go. And then I open up my charts and there they are, my lines are right there. And so what that does is it basically gives me a bias, right? So I've got my lines there drawn, and when I look at the charts, I can only see the same things that I discovered at the time that I drew those lines. Now, why am I saying this? Well, you know, one of the things I do say is be prepared, and that means have all your lines drawn in, have all your alerts and everything else. That absolutely is correct. But sometimes it's also a good idea to scrap all those lines, or if you're using TradingView, set up a new, copy your layout, delete all your indicators, delete all your drawings, and then draw from scratch. Do the analysis from scratch and have a look to see if it matches up with what you originally put in. Now, because sometimes we have this bias and then we stop looking, right? And you just say, well, that's what's going to happen. This is what I can see. And it's good to question it. And if you come up with the same idea, you know, whatever creative mode you're in, and you put your custom indicators in and whatever else you're going to put in, and you come up with the same idea, that's great. It just kind of really confirms that actually it is a good idea. But equally, you may come up with a different idea where perhaps you can now see something different that you couldn't see before. You know, those lines were in and that they were kind of clouding your judgment. So I think it's really important, you know, to sometimes do that and just make sure that you're focusing on the right things, that you're still seeing the same trade opportunity that you were when you originally did your lines and your analysis. Okay guys, hope that helps. Have a great weekend, and I will catch you again next week. Have a good one guys, take care.